up guys, it's Rafa here. Welcome back to our channel. Before we get started, click the start button, turn notification, make sure you give us a huge thumbs up. Okay guys, today I will prank my sister. His name is Sanika, you saw it. And I have been to prank with this thing. Within the eyes and do it in his arm. I will put it in his arm. Okay. As you can see, so cool, guys. I'll take one of the eyes. Yeah. I think we got the bigger one that I need the eyes. Let's prank with the eyes. My sister's here, guys. Prank with the eyes now. As you can see, he's in there. No, guys. Guys, we pranked our sister. It was fun, guys. And my brother, you want some? Wait. At first, we have to see if there is no. Wait, where is the ice? Is it melted? It's super cold water, guys. And I'm gonna show my bird to you, okay, guys? Okay, let's show you my bird. Okay. My bird is very intelligent bird. They cannot, I'm hiding there or there, they will see and they will find us. Okay? Now I'm gonna show you my birds. Okay? So, this is a green-cheeked parakeet bird that I love. I love green-cheeked parakeet bird, guys. You know it. I'm gonna open my one bird. He's just the cutest bird you ever seen. The see now? This was a video bird that I do it in the video, and it was a song. It was a very bird. This bird, I told you, it is my bird, and it is very intelligent bird. It is my pet because I train him and I play with him, and he fly to me, and he come everywhere that I go. Understand, guys? He's a very intelligent bird that I had ever seen. He was a very small bird and turned into this. He was like this bird and turned into this size. See it, guys? It is my very favorite bird, green-cheeked parakeet bird. Okay, guys? Okay. Now, so guys, this my bird will fly. Do you want to see, guys? Yes. Let me show you my bird. Let me just show my bird how to fly. Wait for a minute, guys. Wait. This is my bird, and my bird gonna fly. This was funny. My brother was in the room. He will fly now. See, guys, he just fly now. What? I'm gonna show. Do you want to see that my bird will fly to me? As you can see, my bird. His name is Kiki. So I'm gonna see my bird will fly. Okay. Ready, guys? Go. Fly to that side. And let me just show. I have so many birds, guys. You know, I'm gonna first. He's flying so much that can I ever? I'm gonna put my bird in the cage. My bird in the cage, going into the cage, and my other bird. He's a ring-necked parrot. Come on, little parrot. Wait. Come here. He's gonna fly now. Come on. He's a cute birdie. Cute little birdie. Nice. Oh, I have another. But wait. First, I'm gonna show this bird. That is very intelligent, and I don't know that must be intelligent. You can see my cute little parrot. And now I'm gonna go and open my another bird. Just wait here for wait. I'm gonna take the camera and my another bird is a very my most favorite bird that I had ever had. Wait, I'm gonna open my another bird. Okay, guys, I'm ready to be surprised. I have 3 parrot birds. Okay, now close the cage. This is my pineapple green chick. His name is Rio. And his name is Mitu. So you must see, guys, my bird will fly, okay? In slow motion. You can see slow motion fly. Okay? Now my bird will fly, guys. Now let's show. See you guys? Oh, he just go into the cage. So I'm gonna show the camera to see it, guys. He's just in the cage. I'll put the camera here and show you my bird, guys. He cannot fly much well. Put my hands here. Oh, there. And there. Bird goes. The bird is really cool. He's flying now, guys. As you can see, he's right there. Now I'm going to take the bird. Yo! Come on, birdie. Get my birdie. Right. He's very scared and he's in a flying mode, guys. So, come on. Yes. Come on. He's in a really flying mode. This is my brother, guys. Okay. He's gonna talk my bird. My birdie. Okay, you gonna fly again, guys, okay? Right here. Then open. See, guys, he's coming to that side. That's that side. The camera here and let's fly again. Okay. So guys, that's all for today. Make sure you watch more my video and give me a huge thumbs up. Click the subscribe button. Down on question. See you guys later. Bye.